Hi everyone, Tara Tesher here with our super unique, never before done Tara's must-have. So what's a Tara's must-have? Well, a Tara's must-have is an item or a collection that I have curated just for you. And I have to tell you, whether it's the warm glow, whether it's something that's welcoming you home, I love that we've incorporated some of our decor pieces into our Tara's must-have. So we did a beautiful set of 2 lit pictures. You guys, these are absolutely beautiful. Look how sweet that is with the elegant warm glow. There's a 6-hour timer on this. So if you want to set it for like 8 p.m. every night, this will greet you, the set of 2, beautiful, warm candle light that is absolutely beautiful. And I love the idea of the mini pictures. If you have that more eclectic style, if maybe you have that farmhouse chic style, if maybe you just have that beautiful everyday style, these are so sweet, and all of the detail and everything you've come to love from our Temp-tations collection. Again, they are completely closed and they are lit with a battery pack on the bottom, and you are going to receive a set of 2 for under $20. I know! We have been using these and absolutely loving these, whether you're tucking them on your mantle, whether you're putting them on the sideboard, maybe they're just cute little accents that you have in your kitchen that illuminate and bring such happiness and joy. I love the fact that they have that oversized handle. We're actually showing you the gray in the old world and the floral lace, but look what else we did. We did such a fun harvest. So now, instead of having candles maybe on your holiday table, you could tuck these down the center of it with maybe some nested pumpkins and leaves and really create that sweet, happy moment. And when they're not illuminated, truly, they're just as beautiful. I'm just gonna turn this one off real quick so that you can see that bright light and that warm glow. Look at the rope detail that runs around the edges. These are available at temp-tations.com. So head on over, under $20. We have the harvest. We have a whole bunch of colors, including one of our newest to the family, which is our taupe. So look how beautiful. Again, I can picture this in your powder room, maybe sitting on your nightstand. It's like a little night light. It's a little welcome light. I just love everything about these, and the fact that we did them in these sweet little pictures are an absolute must-have, which is why we made it a Tara's must-have. So head on over to temp-tations.com. We don't have a ton of them in all of our colors and patterns, and harvest, as you know, our seasonal is always the first to go. So if you have your heart set on it, head on over there and check it out, under $20, which is why we're making it a Tara's must-have. Bye.